this is your plan, footprints. Okay, you are given this and this, something similar here. Okay, first you take a graph paper. On graph paper you translate your total thing with the scale. Okay, you should use the scale and draft it, and you sketch it. It may be something like, suppose this is your graph on which your lines are going. So to the scale, whatever the this thing segments comes, you go on joining them and make a perfect sketch. These lines have to be drafted again perfectly. Okay, don't worry. Now first you make this sketch on a graph sheet. This is your graph sheet. Okay, then you will be taking one more paper, that is tracing sheet. Tracing sheet you keep over this. At present I don't have, so assume that I have kept one tracing sheet and then I am tracing on that, right? So this is what I am tracing, exactly what you have drawn with the using the scale. So when we are tracing it, we should not do freehand. No freehand. This is called French curve. So you select this curve wherever it is suitable to join the segments. Okay, so this goes here, and then you can tilt it, and then whichever is matching with your bottom line. Okay, so something you can take it that way, and then finish off your form. Once you have done this form, this a perfect line comes. With the pen you can use it, and you need to add the wall thickness to this. So how freehand you cannot do it. Again you do this. First you select this and select your segment in the French curve, and then move the curve to the point where you want parallel line. See, now if I have to get the parallel line of that other one, I am just bringing it here. Okay, so here I am getting the parallel line. So you have to go on tilting and just adjusting it with this parallel, and then on the scale you have taken already the thickness on the sheet. Simply you are joining them. So segment wise it will be joining. So the thickness is added. This is how you can do the curve structure. Now you add perpendicular window. Window again in the center you want to have it. Use the French curve and make a line over here. Okay, this is how you can do your plan. These French curves are available within your set square if it is there with you at home. If not, you can buy. There are a lot of set of French curves also will be available, which will be useful for future if you are manually going for the drawings and all. If you can afford to buy that, you can buy it, or else manage with this. One more flexi curve comes, which is a rubber one. So this is actually can be molded to any shape. That one also you should buy, because it will be useful for drawing the curved lines when we are drawing the contours. So simply you can take that and keep it, and the contour will come, and with that a parallel line also can be drawn by moving the your flexi curve. Flexi curve is a rubber thing with a lot of scaling will be there. You can have measurements on that. Okay, these two things you can have it, and don't waste time in searching for this, because tomorrow you have to submit. If you have this kind of French curve, you can manage. Thank you.